Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. With the rising heat and season for mangoes, today's recipes are all about mangoes. That would be mango ice cream and mango cream delight. Yes, that's right. Homemade mango ice cream using just 3 ingredients. Later we will learn how to make mango cream delight using just 2 ingredients, one of which is our homemade mango ice cream. So to start with mango ice cream, we will need mango puree, condensed milk, and fresh cream. Add the cream to the bowl and whip until peaks using a hand mixer or a spatula. It is best to chill the bowl, beater and the cream for few hours before this process so that you can ensure that your cream will whip into soft creamy peaks. In chilled cream, the fats stick together readily so they easily form the reinforcing network. Ouch! Too much science. Add condensed milk and mix it well. It's time to add the mango puree. Mango puree is nothing but mango and sugar blended together. The sugar here is optional. You can avoid it depending upon your sweet buds or the sweetness of your mango. Make sure not to whip the cream vigorously because this deflates the whipped cream and we do not want this to happen. Simply give it a little twist and turns so that it just blends well. Pour this into a freezer safe bowl. Cover it. And refrigerate for at least 6 hours. Well, our mango ice cream is all set. Now it's time to scoop it out. Look at that delicious mango ice cream. Serve it with your favorite nuts and syrup. And your mango ice cream is ready to serve. You can store it at least for 2 months if you store it in an airtight container and freeze it. For our second recipe, mango cream delight, into a blender add our homemade mango ice cream, fresh milk, ice cubes, blend it into a thick shake. Pour this shake into a glass. Top it up with some more ice cream and nuts of your choice. Our delicious mango cream delight is ready to serve. This summer, beat the heat with our summer special recipes. Check out the summer special playlist at the end. We will come up with more of such interesting recipes. Please leave a like, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe. Please press the red button, which is absolutely free. Please don't press it if you have already done it. Share this video link with your friends and family. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. The handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.